Woo! Good morning, guys. As you can see, it is fresh out here. It is kind of the sunrise in London. I wasn't going to shoot this morning, but I came here to do some self-portraits, which you should go and have a look at because it is super beautiful. I don't even need to venture into town to get this. The light is beaming. I'm going to set up this GoPro. Oh, exciting. The sun doesn't come out often here. So if you guys haven't seen my first R10 video, make sure you go and check that one out after this video. You can see the light here is so nice. And again, guys, I'm going to be using the 50mm f1.8 with this one, just because I guess it's more of a usual setup that you guys would probably be using. So it's funny because I think the quality of the screen, the pictures don't look that good. But when you bring them onto the computer, it's really amazing how sharp and crisp these images are. Yeah. So look guys, my friend Anisha and I, this is usually our place where we shoot. If you haven't seen these Instagram videos, you should definitely follow me on Instagram. With this here in the background. This is such a cool place, and I just got my own pictures here as well. What about this one with the bus and the light? Oh my god, you guys, it is fresh. Or maybe this one with the red bus in her. You just have to be super quick. The coolest thing with this camera is that for street photography it is amazing because it is honestly so fast. Man, I feel like she looks so cool. Let me ask her. Hey, excuse me? Excuse me? Hey, I do photos of strangers and you look so cool. I love your look. I was gonna ask if I could get a picture.
Yeah.
Just with you, like.
Yeah. Sorry.
Are you in a rush? Are you in a rush? Kinda. Okay. Yes, maybe I can get it as well. Can we go back here just by the light?
Yeah.
I like just saw you there. You're the only one like bursting in the white coat. It looks so good.
This is my favorite color.
That looks good. Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
So maybe I'll get one. We'll get some here like walking shots. And then maybe just one here, just stand there for a sec. Where are you from? Are you from here?
I live in London, but I'm originally from Poland.
Oh, awesome. I love Poland. So just stand there for a sec. Perfect. Nice, and one looking this way. And then you know what you can do? You can like walk just like straight across here and then look at me, but just keep like a serious face, almost like I'm not really here. And then with the coffee, just... Okay, ready? Perfect, and now look back at me a bit. Yes, there. Here, do it again, walk across. Okay, cool. And just one portrait here, just looking this way. Yeah. Oh yeah, that looks amazing. Again, put your head like this again, how you did.
I'm feeling myself. Feeling myself. Face on numb. Face on numb.
So there should be a plane coming over here very soon. Let's see if we can get it. Oh my god, how slow is this plane? Oh, it actually tracks it quite well. About this guy.
I'm feeling myself. Feeling myself. Face on numb. Face on numb.